Guys, good morning sa iyong lahat mga dot, mga kachismosa dyan. For today's video, itong kasama ko ay nagluluto ng ano niya, yung pangalan nito? What is the name that one? What is the name?
Okra.
No,
Ghana okra. Ghana soup.
Ghana soup. She cook this one Ghana
They call
soup.
it green.
Huh?
Green. Ghana soup.
This Ghana soup green. This Ghana soup green. Ano nun niya yung ano ito biniblend niya yung okra at saka saluyot. Ayan, tapos iwan ko may karne siya. Where is the meat? Where is the meat?
The meat is inside.
May meat yan siyang. There is meat. Oh, there is meat. This is the meat of the goat. Oh, goat. Yan. That is Ghana food. And after that, she eat like this. And then very sticky. That is their food. Yeah, like this. Oh, tingnan nyo guys. Yan. Kumukulo. Parang masarap yung ano niya, yung amoy nila, yung amoy ng ingredients nilang ginawa. Oh, pero hindi ko alam kasi ano yan eh, yung what is this? Tofu. What is this in the your language? This one the kind of recipe? Tofu.
This is green with
Green. This is only soup.
soup. Yeah, only soup. Yes, only soup.
Yeah, biniblender niya yung saluyot at saka okra. Nice. What?
Good.
Tastes good daw. Tastes good daw. Parang ice cream. Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good.
Oh, I can eat this one in morning, afternoon, evening, seconds. You know, it's nice.
Nice? Yeah, you can eat that one tomorrow, today, tomorrow, or you can eat it on 3 days. Or it's up to you. Just put in the fridge, and after that make it with rice. You eat with rice? What? Just like that?
Yeah.
Really? Kumbaga parang mulukiya siya sa Arabic nga nilagyan ng saluyot. Pero ang mulukiya kasi nilagyan ng saluyot sa Arabic. Yan ang pinapaluto, yung paborito nila ni Madam. Pero sila, meat daw yan, meat. Ayan, meat na may nilagyan ng saluyot at saka okra.
This is from Ghana.
Ghana recipe. Ayan.
Ghana recipe.
And then you have to explain why this is nice recipe.
Yeah, it's nice recipe. Yeah.
And then
from
you
Ghana,
can
yeah. If any Ghanaian man who watch this one, he knows where I'm coming from.
Okay, and then you can cook
You can
too
eat
much.
with banku, you can eat with kinke,
You
you can
can-
eat with gari, eba. Yeah.
And then you have more recipe from Ghana that
Yeah,
you
more
can cook.
recipe from Ghana. Watch out, more recipe from Ghana.
Okay. Yan guys, ang ano niya. Kasi pinaluto ko talaga siya ng sarili niyang, binigyan ko siya ng, yung meat, yung goat meat talaga para makaluto siya ng sarili niyang pagkain. Kasi, ayan, para malaman naman niya kung paano magluluto sa kusina, gaano kahirap. Kasi ngayon, busy talaga ako sa mga, kasi Ramadan na nga, ayan, gumagawa ako ng mga iba't ibang recipe para sa pang-araw-araw ng, araw-araw ng Ramadan. Ayan. Ayan. Say thank you. Thank you.
Thank you
Thank you
for
for
listening. Thank you for watching.
Thank
See
you
you next
so much.
time. Bye.